Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. There are a lot of times when we want to find aggregate of our data. However, we want that aggregate to be dynamic in nature. For that matter, that if we apply any filters to our data, the aggregate should change basis the filters that have been applied. So whatever rows are visible to me on my screen, the aggregate should actually be the actual representation of only that set of data and not the entire data set. So today's video, we will be deep diving into it. We'll be looking at what is the easiest way to have a dynamic sum or a dynamic aggregate of your data, which is dependent on the filters. So as soon as you change your filters, this value, this aggregate is gonna change. If you would like to see more such videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also click a thumbs up for this particular video. Now let's get started. For this data, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first convert my range of series of data that I see over here into Excel tables. For that, the simplest way is you select any cell of data, right click and change it into a table. So I've already done that for the ease over here. Now, as a next step, what do I need to do is I need to find a sum of this particular range, which is for my sales. All I'll do is I'll click on the cell over here where I need to find the sum. I'm going to press Alt and then plus key. What it will do is it will find in a sum for me, calculate the subtotal for me actually. Now, how does this really subtotal helps in over here? Whenever I apply any filter, this subtotal is going to automatically change basis the representation on the screen. So whether the filter is applied on the quarter column or the filter is applied on my sales representative column. So we see that the sum that's coming out over here is completely dynamic and is flexible basis the rows that are visible, the data that is visible to the user. It's not only that I can find a sum or a subtotal. Alternatively, when I click on this drop down over here, I can change it even into average or a count depending on the data set I may have. So here I'm just quickly going to be changing it into average to change and see how things work. So with just a click of button and one single keyboard formula, we've been able to drive this result. Isn't it so easy? Do go ahead and try this out today and let me know if you face any issues, any questions you may have with regards to this. Feel free to post it in the comment box below. Thank you.